Hello traders, welcome to the video. In this video, I want to show you another powerful strategy to scalp the volatility index market. So this strategy is very easy, but you need to pay attention to everything I say. And the good thing about this strategy is that you can use it to cash a long time trades. So you don't need to do a little scalp and be out of the market. So if you look carefully on my chart, this is volatility 75 and this is 1 minute time frame. So this strategy works on all the volatility index. So before I explain how the strategy works, let me quickly show you settings to my indicator. First thing you do is to click on this indicator icon. You can see I have just 5 indicators: MACD, envelopes, relative strength index, and the moving average. To select the moving average, click on the F icon on the main chart and search for moving average. Make the period to be 20, shift to be 0, method to be exponential, apply to close. For the styles, make it color of your choice, PZ of your choice. After that, click on save. For the relative strength index, click on the F icon on the indicators Windows 1 and search for relative strength index. Make the period to be 1, apply to close. For the levels, click on this pen icon and make it 20 and 80 level. For the styles, make it color of your background. If your background is white, make it white, and if it is dark, make it dark. After that, click on save. The next indicator is the envelopes. To select that, click on the F icon on the indicators Windows 1 and search for envelopes. Make the period to be 1, shift to be 0, deviation to be 6, method to be smoothed, apply to close. For the styles, for the upper band, make it color of your choice, lower band color of your choice, then make it pixels of your choice. After that, click on save. The next indicator is this envelopes, the second envelope. Click on the F icon and search for envelopes. Make the period to be 1, shift to be 0, deviation to be 0.008, method smoothed, apply to close. For the styles, make the upper band color of your choice, lower band color of your choice. After that, click on save. The last indicator is the MACD. To select that, click on the F icon on indicators Windows 1 and search for MACD. Make the fast EMA to be 12, slow EMA to be 26, MACD SMA to be 9, apply to close. For the styles, make it color of your choice. For the signal style, color of your choice. After that, click on save. So if you follow my settings correctly, your chart will look exactly as what you see over here. So for the zoom level, let's say this is the dynamo zoom. You want to zoom in 2 times. 1, 2. So this is the best zoom level for this strategy. So what are we looking for? First thing we want to do is to go to our 5 minutes time frame. So in our 5 minutes time frame, you want to pay attention to when this purple line, yellow line dips into the 20 level, touching this yellow line below over here. So once you have the touch, just like here, you want to see market break structure to the upside. Then after the break, you want to look for entry to take your trade to the upside. So you can see at this point, after we have the touch of this yellow line over here, we want to wait for the cross of this inner yellow and this purple line. You have the cross over here, confirming to you that market is likely to continue in an uptrend. Then you want to see market breaks above this swing high. You can see that this is the swing high before this low. We did not have the break here. Market retest, go to the downside. But we can see that this is the low. This is the high before we have this main low. Market breaks it. Immediately it breaks it, you mark out that area like this. Then you go to your 1 minute time frame. So on the 1 minute time frame, what you want to pay attention to is this dipping back into that 20 level. Then you want to enter your buy after you have the break again. Put stop loss below here. Then you target higher price move to sweep the higher time frame zones. You can see that immediately we have the break. You enter your buy, stop loss below here. Market continues to rally to the upside, even up to this point. So if I go back to my 5 minutes time frame, let me show you more example. So over here, what do you see? You have this low, market dips into the 20 level, touches this yellow indicator over here. You have the cross of the purple below the yellow, confirming uptrend. You have the break of structure, cross of the moving average, confirming more uptrend. So once you have that, you want to take your tool, mark out that level. This is where you have the break. Then you go to your 1 minute time frame and look for entries. So over here, you can see the market rallies to the upside, and you wait for it to dip into this 20 level. You can see how this purple line falls into the 20 level. So once you have that, you can have your entry after this break, stop loss below here. Then you target higher prices to the left. The market continues to rally to the upside up to this point before you have a reversal. So let's go back to our 5 minutes time frame, and let me show you a sell condition. So over here we have this indicator enters into the 80 level, touching the green line around this point. You can see the touch here. So immediately you have the touch, you want to wait for the break of this swing low, because this is the RSI, is the swing low, and then the cross of this purple below this yellow. Then after that, cross of this main moving average. So this is like four confluences aligning to each other. So if any one of them is not aligning, you should not take that trade. So let me mark out that area where we have the cross. Then you drop to your 1 minute time frame. So in 1 minute time frame, you want to look for when market will push this purple line or this yellow line into the 80 level. You can see at this point we have a rally. Market continues, then enters into the 80 level around this point. Then you want to wait for the break of market structure. You have the break, you can have your sell here, stop loss above here, then you target swing lows to the left. You can see that market did not come back to sweep this high before you have a significant drop. Back to our 5 minutes time frame, let me show you one last example before I end this video. So you can see around this point, market rallies to the upside, pushes into the 80 level. What are you waiting for? Market to have a structural break over here. So immediately you have candle closing below that low, enter your sell, stop loss will be above here. Then go to your 1 minute time frame and look for entries. So you can see at this point, market rallies, we did not have it enters into the green level. So over here we have a dip around this point, break of market structure, enter your sell, stop loss above here, then you hold your trade to target the recent lows. You can see our market falls to the downside for some time, and it continues to fall before it reverses to the upside. So basically that is what I want to show you in this video. After this, I want you to go back on your chart and backtest this strategy, test for yourself, see how it works, and after that you can decide if you want to stick to this strategy or not. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. You can also check out my other videos that are displaying right now on your screen. Thanks for watching.